as well if needed. So here, if your video is in certain language, then you can click on here. Here you can see different languages. You can click on any of them if you have a certain language, or here you can see the caption certification as well. If you have the caption certification, or if you want to use the caption certifications, click there and then you will be able to do that. Now, recording date and location. At when and where your video was recorded, viewers can search for your videos by location. If you add the recording date, viewers can know when your video was recorded. And video locations, for example, your video is related something with USA, then you can click the video location for USA, so that your viewers, when they search for the videos that is trending in USA, or when they search for USA, your video might appear as well. Here you can see USA. You can choose them to the location. Right now I have choose for USA. Now going below license, this is the standard YouTube license. Allow embedding. If you want others to embed your content, then here you can see publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. You would want that. Similarly, going down, source sampling, allow people to create shorts using parts of this video. Not all videos can opt out. If you want people to make YouTube shorts from your video, then you can allow this. Or if you don't want them to create shorts, click on or click off this button. Now category. You can keep your video into a certain category, so while people search for it, it will appear on the certain category and it will be easier for the viewers to find. Here you can see the different categories. If your videos are related to autos and vehicles, comedy, education, film and animation, how to and style, non-profit, pets and animals, science technology, you can choose the categories. Here for now I can keep either film and animation, or I will be keeping this for entertainment. Now comments and ratings. Here all the comments that videos might get, you can manage them. You can allow all the comments, or you can hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. There might be some comments that can be inappropriate for your videos, so you can keep them for review. Here you can see increase strictness. If you really want it to be strict, then you can click on that, so that only appropriate comments will be allowed. You can hold all the comments for review as well, so until you review them, as we talked about earlier in YouTube studios, from the comment section you can review them first and then decide if you want to publish them or not. Or you can just disable comments, so no one can comment on your video, and the comment button in your video will be disabled. To allow the comments, here you can sort them. If you want to see the comments by top or by newest, also you can see how many viewers like this video. If you don't want to see the likes on your videos, then you can simply click on away from this, so that